February. Welcome back to the shop. This is going to be our third year of Tech Picks, and this year it's been pretty interesting. We've got well over 500 bikes in storage, a lot of sharp looking bikes. Techs have had a little bit of a challenge trying to land on one pick out of the entire fleet that we've got, so some of them have changed their mind 2 or 3 times. But here we've got 9 out of the 10 bikes that we'll be reviewing with you over the next few weeks, and the 10th one will be coming off the lift soon.
So as you can see from the lineup here, one thing that we think is really cool every year that we see in storage is the diverse lineup of bikes. So we've got everything from, you know, tricked out old Evos to the modern Milwaukee 8s, twin cams, Springers, there's CVO in the mix. So as Brent stated, you can definitely see why it was such a hard decision for the technicians to pick one bike that they focus on.
Right on. So I think it's time to get the guys in here, talk about their bikes, get this thing going, and then we'll post each one of their videos on Tuesday and Thursday for the next few weeks for you guys to join in on Facebook. Let's go get them.
Let's go get them.